What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, you see the setting is different. I'm in my room, and I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I apply my lace wig. It's real easy, but I didn't have to do too much because I'm lazy when it comes to put my wigs on. And yeah, and then I'm also gonna be leaving a link below of how I got this color. All I did was really bleach it, but I do have a video on that. So yeah, if you want to know how I put this baby boy on, then keep watching.
Hey, bad bitch tastes like cherry, kiwi, real big titty.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? I mean, if I had to pick a choice, it would be fries. I mean, if I had to pick a choice, it would be fries. I mean, if I had to pick a choice, it would be fries.
I'm gonna ball till I fall. I'm in that bitch on the mall. Say that shit.